how you can get results with affiliate marketing using ClickBank, Google Ads or TikTok ads. Now in this video I'm going to share with you exactly what you can do if you want to have these kind of results personally, right? I know when I got started I struggled because I didn't have a coach or a mentor to help me one-on-one personally to actually have some kind of results with the ClickBank affiliate marketing, okay? So the main reason I'm doing this video is to share with you exactly what is possible when you take affiliate marketing very seriously. The first thing is you need to have a right person to coach you, mentor you through step by step on a Zoom calls one-on-one. That's the main thing. I always had $5,000, $3,000, $2,000, many courses on video courses which never give me any kind of results, right, whatsoever. So I tried everything from different kind of courses, MLMs, and the only thing that actually helped me get the results is having someone to help me one-on-one. Okay, the mentor or coach, OG in the affiliate marketing, internet marketing or digital marketing space, whatever you want to call it. So the niche is very important. For example, dating, online dating, Tinder is very huge right now, manifestation niche, weight loss, Nutra space, casino, gambling, all these niches are really huge, big right now, okay? So the big gift I can give you today is this, to understand that you need to have someone who can help along the way. So you know, okay, are you in the high emotional state market or low emotional state market? Do you have the right message to the market match with your ad copy, with your Facebook ad copy? Do you know how to scale higher? All this is important when you want to make $500 to $2,000 or $5,000 per day with net profit. Oh, it's possible, of course, all is doable, but you need to have someone who's going to once for all finally help you to crack the code, to get the results that you desire, right? To travel around the world if you want to have these kind of results, making money, passive income online, side hustle, right? It's all doable, working 20 to 40 minutes per day, maximum 1 hour per day. You wake up in the morning, have your coffee or tea, check your ad campaign, see how it's doing, and then in the evening again before you go to bed. So sustainable income. Yeah, I'm not promising you millions. I'm talking about $500 to $2,000, $3,000 per day in sustainable income if you take this seriously. And if you really want to get to the next level and have results, like I always share with you, not to brag, but to show you what is actually possible when you do take affiliate marketing really seriously, when you have someone who can help you one-on-one along the way and help you to scale to bigger results. So as you watch this video, if you want to get results, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know after watching this video, okay? All the links to my YouTube, Instagram, my personal WhatsApp number, Facebook, and email are in the description. So let me know and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips.